2004 Chevrolet Avalanche Z71 4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. A one-owner truck, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. 49,274 is all on this one. It was also driven spring, summer, and fall only. Winters, snowbirds owned it, so they were not around here in the winter. They got parked, stored indoors, climate-controlled garage, and they headed south, like we'd all like to do. 5.3 liter V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. So we take a look at the front headlights, grille, bumper. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Sport red. This color was considered in 2004. Graphite leather interior, and you can see the paint shows well on this one. I have not noticed any major scratches or anything like that. There's one, maybe a couple real small, and I'm being awful fussy, really small kind of dingers there. You can almost see what I'm talking about. But I mean, it's, like I said, it's being awful fussy. Paint has a nice shine to it. If I notice much going around it, I'll kind of point it out as we go. A little bit of wear. We'll see, maybe just a little bit of wax, but I have not noticed anything too major on this truck, and we will walk all the way around and check it out. If you want to see the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the bed, all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Chevrolet wheel. Goodyear Wrangler radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. One tiny little mark right there. Other than that, I don't notice anything really as far as, again, nicks, dings, scratches up and down this passenger side. Of course, running boards. Interior is that graphite leather. Bucket seats, center console, very nicely equipped. We'll get around to that in a little bit with electronic dual climate control, heated seats, Bose stereo system, power seats. And again, we'll get to that in just a bit. Start it up, let's hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. You'll also be able to see in the bed, in the still pictures, over 100 pictures of this vehicle online, and again, that's at uniqueclassiccars.com. These come with that foldable tonneau cover, bed liner already in it, composite bed. Couple notes from the technician: new front brake hoses and calipers. Brakes were 85% in the rear, 65 or 60% in the front. Believed to be original tires. Those could possibly be replaced. Starting to show their age some there. So that was really the only note from the technician on this one. Let's take a look down the driver's side. And again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. There was a little wear on this top of the tailgate. You'll see that in the pictures. Again, nothing too extraordinary. If you like these Chevy trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Paint has a nice shine up and down the driver's side also. Take a look at this rear seating surface. Doesn't look like it's hardly been sat in. Would have rear controls back here, like headphones. Kids or passengers wanted to listen to different music, wanted to run it through the truck itself, you could. Bose stereo system, again, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, adjustable pedals, memory seating, heated seats both sides, and look at the condition of these seats. Very nice condition. You see just some natural wrinkling from the leather hide, which is very common in these leather seats. Nothing out of the ordinary how they're worn. Of course, push button 4-wheel drive. Steering wheel controls, driver's information center, AM, FM, CD player, I believe it is. I think we need to start it. Check out the exact miles, take a peek underneath the hood. I have had the stereo working, by the way. Close this door a second. There's the exact miles, 49,274. Whoops. Let's do this. Let me find a station will come in here. Show it is working. There we go. Night Ranger. Top of the dash. Looks good. No check engines light, service engine soon, anything like that. Just telling me to buckle up. Transfer case. Again, push button. There's auto 4-wheel drive. You want to go to 4 high. Push of a button. Back to 2-wheel. I can hear it switching too. Headliner. Good shape. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. It's awful quiet. Sounds good. I guess what you'd expect. A 5.3 to sound like. Alright. It's going to take me both hands to get this hood open. So when we get the hood open, we'll check out the engine bay, wrap this walk around up, and Jason will take it for a drive. Alright, so look at the hood liner. There's a telltale sign it hasn't been driven in the winter just because there's no salt residue. On that, you'd have the lines from ice and snow and stuff melting and getting wet underneath there, and then leaving behind a salt residue line. And look how nice and clean this is. Of course, overdrive transmission, automatic with overdrive, 5.3 V8. Power steering, power brakes, AC. One owner, Avalanche, 2004. Less than 50,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche pickup truck. A club cab or crew cab pickup truck with a shorter bed. One of the pioneers of that styling. This one in 2004, very nice condition. Burgundy paint, low miles. Nice leather bucket seats in this truck. The AC is blowing cool. I would not say cold, but it is blowing cool. Our gauges are all working. We've got a fuel gauge showing 3/4 of a tank. The temperature is 190. The battery charging over 14 volts, and the oil pressure is 45 psi. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. This is a 4-wheel drive with push button capability. Cruise control works as well. Stereo sounds good. I have not tested the factory CD, but FM is working. Overhead we have buttons for Your garage door opener, some storage. Nice looking headliner. Steering wheel controls for the radio were incorporated in this here. Corners nicely. Very good power steering. Nice quiet ride. Sealing out that wind noise very well. You don't see very many of these, and one in low miles in a good color, even harder to find. Check out all the pictures of this one at uniqueclassiccars.com.